welcome to Gaming Chronicles, the show where we play games.
Yes.
Today we are playing Wolf Among Us. We completed all of Chapter 1, so if you haven't watched that already, go watch it. And we just started Chapter 2. Part 1 is out.
Yeah.
And this is going to be Part 2.
Part 2.
I'm Chantal, and this is Salva. Almost forgot to introduce us. But
I was going to
didn't.
say a bit.
I got it. Yeah. So we are going to be playing Wolf Among Us, Chapter 2. Where we left off was a big cliffhanger.
Not even just a... Of what?
Plot
and
twist.
Then, yeah.
There we go. That's the word.
And you're just
plot
like,
twist.
what?
Snow White is not dead?
She's
what?
not. No. Oh my god.
So Salva is gonna be the one playing. So we shall see where this leads.
Yeah. Let's go.
Let's go.
Let's do it. Okay.
What the hell was going on down there, Bigby? Abusing a prisoner like that.
I
but he wasn't
thought you were
abusing the
dead,
prisoner.
Snow.
And that makes it okay?
He wasn't the one abusing him. He was being nice. He gave him cigarettes and drink.
Yeah.
I hope it was worth your time.
Where the hell have you been all night, Snow?
I was working on this case. After a conversation in the taxi last night, I got a call from Toad. He said his son found a body. We thought it was Faith at the time. Getting her back here wasn't easy, but hopefully we'll find something on her to help us track down the killer.
I should have been there, Snow.
I tried calling the business office, but there was no answer. I couldn't find you, or anyone, so I took care of it.
Snow,
What is it?
I'm glad you're not dead.
Me too.
So smooth.
I just want to get to the bottom of this. I just feel like
I'm happy
What is it?
you're breathing and well.
I feel responsible in a way. She looked just like me. And maybe that's why she was killed.
If someone wants you dead, at some point they'll realize they missed their target.
And they'll come looking for me. We just have to find out who did this. And why she was glamored to look like me.
Glamored to
I mean,
look like her.
that's
okay.
what it is, right? So, what's our next move?
We just keep doing what we've been doing. We do our jobs.
And I'm supposed to do what? Sit around the business office twiddling my thumbs, waiting for the big bad wolf to solve all my problems?
That's not what I meant.
Well, then what did you mean? I told you, I'm tired of sitting around. I'm not going to be an errand girl for Crane anymore.
I just want you to be careful. I almost lost you once.
I'm not yours to lose.
Aww. But he loves you.
Aw.
I'm sorry. I know it's dangerous, but I'm not helpless. I can take care of myself.
Yeah, she's a badass.
I've been doing it for centuries.
Aww.
TJ is waiting inside. He was so freaked out last night, he wouldn't tell us much. Even now, he just stops talking altogether after a certain point. He's pretty shaken up, though, so try not to be too, you know.
Myself.
Right.
Aw.
Aww. She's gotten real sassy since
Yeah.
she, almost got murdered.
TJ's over there. I don't know if you want to talk to him first or after, but let me know when you're ready to see the body. I want to be there. Buffkin, do you have a second?
Of course, Miss Snow.
What is this?
Perfume bottle.
Is it her perfume bottle?
Snow's perfume.
That's a bit creepy. Antacids.
and acids. Maybe this has been harder on him than I thought.
Value size. It's the big ones.
Should we talk to them or talk to TJ? Toad and TJ.
I don't know.
I feel like we'll talk to them. Aww.
Oh, that's enough. Mirror, vanish, cancel!
What the hell are you doing?
What? I wasn't touching nothing.
What's going on?
Don't worry, no harm done.
What were you doing with the mirror, Toad?
I thought maybe I'd catch you on the shitter. I was just having a laugh. We've been waiting there a long time.
TJ.
Aw.
It's all right. Are you ready to talk to Mr. Wolf?
I just want to give him a hug and tell him
He's
everything's gonna be
so
okay.
cute.
I feel so bad for him, the poor kid.
It's okay.
Are you okay?
Go ahead, TJ.
I go swimming at night sometimes, in the river. I wasn't doing anything bad. I promise.
I believe you.
Of course you weren't.
We know you're a good kid, TJ.
You're not in trouble. Just tell me what happened.
Aw.
I was there, under the big blocks, and I heard noisy feet. And when I hear that, I'm supposed to go underwater and stay real still and quiet.
That's right, son.
Yeah. 'Cause you're a
Then
good
I
boy.
saw... I saw the lady.
Aw.
It's okay, son.
Oh,
Careful, Bigby.
I wasn't.
my
I know.
heart.
The lady fell in. But she didn't have her head on. I thought she was gonna pull me down too. Cause she had rocks on her feet and she kept falling down in the dark parts.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my god, that's so traumatizing.
Cinder blocks
for a
tied to her
child.
ankles.
Yeah.
Is there more, TJ?
I want to hug him
Is
and
it
tell him
true?
everything's gonna be okay.
You know when people are lying? I heard you could do that. That's why you're the sheriff.
Yeah, it's my special power. I always know when people aren't telling me the truth. Is there something else you want to say?
Please, don't be mad.
What is it, TJ?
I didn't stay under the water.
What?
I know I'm supposed to, but I was scared, and I went to the top again. I couldn't help it.
I gave you very specific rules. You have to stay quiet and out of sight or bad things can happen. I told you.
You're not in trouble.
Like Ellie's not.
Not this time, Toad.
So you didn't stay underwater.
I don't know if anyone saw me, but someone said, "Stop laughing." And then I was scared, and I went under for as long as I could.
Wait, you heard someone?
Yes,
Why didn't you tell us before?
I didn't want to be in trouble.
Did you hear anyone laughing?
No.
Were those the same words they used? Stop laughing? Try to remember exactly what they said.
They said, "Stop laughing at me."
Sheriff.
Did you hear anything else?
No.
Bigby, he's frightened.
Okay, TJ.
I'm sorry. After I came up again, there was no one there, and I ran home, that's all. I promise. I want to go home.
Okay, you can go.
Yeah, let him go. The
Poor
kid.
child.
Oh my god. My heart is breaking for him.
Thank you,
I feel
TJ.
so bad for him.
Aw.
Okay, son. Let's get you home.
You did a good job, kid.
Aww. Aww. I feel like you did good there.
Yeah.
That went about as well as I expected.
Could have been worse, but that was good.
You want to go look at the body now?
Oh.
Maybe the mirror.
Yeah, because there's the mirror.
Yeah.
In a minute.
When you're ready.
And they were talking with the flying monkey. I forgot his name.
Yeah. I don't think you can use the lamp, can you?
I think we tried last time, and I just...
It was like empty or whatever he said. Yeah. And that's exactly what happened last time, I think.
Okay, let's talk to the mirror.
Hey, mirror.
Hello, Bigby. Nice to see you.
What was Toad? Did you know Snow was alive? Who's the victim? Who's the killer?
Okay, let's
What were you showing Mr. Toad and his son?
Cinderella selling shoes, Rapunzel, Rose, and of course there's you. And I can't help note that you did not rhyme. Do try to stick to the rules next time.
Yeah, I'll do that.
No, you still want to know. New book fables unlocked.
Only Lily.
Mirror, mirror, show me Lily. And yeah, I think this rhyming thing is silly.
Some things cannot be revealed. Once again, these lips are sealed.
Figures.
Who's Holly?
The sister of...
Oh, right. The one at the bartender.
Yeah.
The bartender.
Okay, mirror, can you see where the fuck is Tweedledee? Where can I find Tweedledum? That piece of scum.
It's all insults.
Yeah. In the car, okay.
Mirror, mirror, show me Holly the troll, or I'll throw you down a hole.
No need for threats.
Yeah, she's the barmaid. Is that it? Yeah,
That
that's
was it.
Okay. Let's go.
All right, let's go look at the body.
Yeah.
So, check out anyone who fits that profile. You might start with Bluebeard.
Right away, Miss Snow.
Are you ready to examine the body now?
Yes.
Let's do it.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, I almost forgot.
Come on.
Let's go.
Witching Well Chamber. Okay.
Interesting.
I don't think you can run. Oh, you can walk faster. Oh my gosh.
She's wearing the same clothes and everything.
Yeah.
Wow. I didn't realize... I've never seen her face before now.
You gonna be okay? You don't have to stay.
I want to stay. I'll be fine. It's just a little strange. The glamour is so effective, it's invasive. But just do what you need to do.
Damn. Okay. She doesn't have
That's
a brooch.
weird.
right?
Yeah.
I don't wear a brooch like that.
Maybe it really belonged to her. Not part of the glamour.
Looks like something from the homelands. Buffkin, do you recognize these symbols?
I don't.
No, nothing I've seen before.
It looks just like Faith's did. Did Dr. Swinehart ever get back to you about Faith?
No. He said he wanted to run more tests.
Interesting.
If the neck wound was the same, there might be a ribbon in her mouth too. Anything?
Nothing. So, it's not exactly the same.
Interesting.
Okay.
Can you close her mouth? Thanks.
She got your perfume right.
How would she know? How do you know what perfume I wear?
You can't fool this nose. Also, I saw the bottle on your desk.
That's not creepy.
Do you see that?
Could be a bruise.
Oh, we can go this way. Do I? Oh, okay.
Track marks.
She used Mundy drugs?
Looks that way. Pretty heavily, too. I hear they only go for the legs if they've used up the veins in their arms, or if they're trying to hide the marks. Anyway, it means it's not a perfect match to your leg. Unless...
Don't be ridiculous.
maybe she was trying to compensate with that perfume.
Wait. If the glamour is supposed to make her look like me, shouldn't it be concealing things like track marks? That brooch, too.
Yeah.
Why would it change everything else? I've never seen one this sloppy.
It might be a cheap one, just to get the job done.
The witches upstairs know what they're doing, that's why they cost so much. Unless someone is making glamours illegally?
It's not technically illegal, miss. It's not encouraged for sure, but there aren't any laws specifically forbidding it.
Oh, maybe we should
So
go
there's
see
some
if
sort of
people
black
look
market
like
for
her.
glamours?
One would assume so. I imagine anyone with access to the proper books and training could theoretically produce a glamour.
Yet another thing to worry about. Black market or not, it's a pretty good match. Look at that. The buttons aren't exact either. There's an extra one here.
Let's see here.
Rope marks.
She was tied up?
They tied cinder blocks to her ankles, so she would sink.
Oh.
Aw.
Oh, is she holding something?
Maybe. Look at the fist.
Her fist is clenched.
So she fought back?
No marks on the knuckles.
Oh,
Maybe she was grabbing something?
maybe.
Open it. Ugh.
Oh, damn. We have to pry it open.
What are you doing?
Only way to find out.
Oh.
Oh, shit.
Oh, I don't like that
Oh,
sound.
no.
Jesus, Bigby. What is it?
Oh, they're flowers.
What kind of flower?
Flowers.
Yeah.
Lilac petals.
Okay.
You're right. These buttons are wrong. I wonder...
What?
Snow, I need to open her coat.
Bigby, just let me.
We're making progress. Let's see what else we can find.
Oh, poor Snow White.
I...
Sorry, that took longer than expected.
Oh, that's
What have
bad.
you found out?
I haven't finished yet.
Well, get on with it then.
Oh.
We can't waste too much time here.
I was starting to
the
like
killer
him.
might be preparing another attack as we
Yeah.
speak.
Now he's an ass again.
Like,
We should Keep going.
Bro, we're not done yet.
What is that?
This.
She had the perfume with her. Looks like someone picked it out for her.
Maybe
So,
they purposely did
someone
it.
Yeah.
To scare
Gave her instructions.
Oh, she's got a lot of pockets.
I've seen things like this
It's a great
before.
coat.
It's definitely magic.
Pockets.
Though witches don't usually craft objects these days.
I don't think it's wise to fool around with that. It's some kind of black market magic. Who knows what it could do? We should have it looked at. Just to make sure it isn't dangerous. Don't you think?
Will you keep quiet?
But I do agree with him.
Yeah.
What?
There's something in here.
How do we open it?
Is he just gonna break it?
I'm not sure yet. Something to do with these rings here.
Oh, they make an image.
Oh. Okay.
Oh, you had it.
Did I?
Yeah. See, that's the button.
Oh, yeah.
Is it a wolf? Maybe a deer. No, I think it might be a wolf. It is a deer.
A deer. What does that mean? Oh.
Lock of hair.
Is that...
It's your hair.
Her hair.
He just sniffs the air and you can tell. It's kind of creepy.
Someone must have taken this from my apartment. I noticed it was missing, but I didn't think. This was the last picture I had of Rose and me. My sister and I don't talk much anymore. Who did this, Bigby?
Oh, what the?
She's a troll?
You gotta be kidding me.
Holy shit.
That helps explain the glamour. Kind of. Who is she? That wasn't there before. Who do you think she is? I don't know many trolls, I'm afraid.
Should have left them all back in the homelands.
Maybe Holly knows.
The owner of the Trip Trap? No, she looks a little... Oh no.
What is it?
It's not Holly, it's her sister Lily. She was reported missing, but I guess it just slipped through the cracks.
Oh, no.
We have to go tell Holly.
Right.
That's so sad.
Who knows? She
You
might
how many
know
times that
something about
happens, like,
this.
in
Who
real
Lily was
life?
seeing.
Well, certainly another troll.
We should go.
You can't go out there.
Why not?
It's too dangerous. Someone tried to kill you. Bigby, you can't let her go out there with you.
If Snow wants to come with me, I'm not gonna stop her.
But
We should leave now.
Aw.
You ready?
Yeah.
Her little, like, yay.
Smile. She's like, yeah, my man's gonna support me.
Yes. Okay, I'm still, like, rooting for them to get together.
Me too. All right, so that was part 2 of chapter 2 of Wolf Among Us.
Yes.
So far, I am intrigued. I am excited to find out what happens.
So into this.
It's such a good story.
Yeah.
So I can't wait to see what happens next.
Yeah. No, I agree. I'm
Yeah.
very excited.
I'm so excited.
I'm forcefully making them get together. Like, I'm just gonna choose all the right choices, the ones that
For
she
them
would
to get
love
together.
to hear. Yes.
Yeah.
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 Me too.
So.
I agree. They need to. I ship them.
Yeah.
I ship them.
Ship them. Yeah. Yeah. Like, share, subscribe. Go onto our social media at Silver Magic Studios. Go onto our website, silvermagicstudios.ca. And until next time,
Toodles.